How to change the Amazon Prime Video region. Now, if you want to change your country or region in Amazon Prime Video, you cannot do it directly from Amazon Prime, but you must use the primary account directly from Amazon.com. Just simply open Amazon.com in your browser and then select your profile. And once you select that, scroll down to all the way to bottom and you are gonna see your region currently at the very bottom. Simply select your current region and then you will see select your preferred country/region website. Just simply select to the current region that you have and you can choose between the available region that you can select in Amazon. Just simply select the region that you would like to select now, and like this you can very easily change your region in Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.